Frustrated you can't use your awesome Logitech G933 headset with your Xbox One? Let's fix that right now. First, locate the USB port on the back of your Xbox One. It's usually found near the other input-output connections. Grab the USB charging cable that came with your G933 headset. This is essential for powering the headset. Plug one end of the USB cable into the USB port on the back of your Xbox One. Make sure it clicks in securely. Now, plug the other end of the USB cable into the microSD port on your Logitech G933 headset. Typically, it's found on the left ear cup. Power on your Xbox One and your G933 headset. Head to Settings by pressing the Xbox button, scrolling to Profile and System, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to General, then Volume and Audio Output. This is where you'll configure your audio settings. Under Headset Audio, make sure your headset format is set to stereo uncompressed. This ensures the best compatibility. Adjust the headset volume slider to your desired listening level. You can fine-tune this later during gameplay. Also, adjust the headset chat mixer to balance game audio and chat volume according to your preference. And that's it. You should now be able to hear game audio and chat through your Logitech G933 on your Xbox One. Enjoy.